Good day, everyone. My name is Daisy Maybe de la Cruz, and I'm here to discuss some of the topics in fundamentals of business analytics. So first, what is business process? Business process is a collection of linked tools that find their end in the delivery of a service or product to a client. A business process has also been defined as a set of activities and tasks that once completed will accomplish an organizational goal. Some of these examples are product manufacturing, order to cash process, and delivering products to customers. And now, let's move on to our next topic. What are the 5 M's of management? Business management is a long and tedious process. Its structure is broken down into 5 M's that serves as its cornerstone to be able for a business to manage or run properly. Those 5 M's are first, money, which allows business to manage properly. One needs capital. The second one is the manpower. Manpower is the key to running any kind of business. Without it, you cannot complete a specific task assigned by your boss. Third is the machines, are the equipment used to process the materials into finished or semi-finished products. Employment of modern machinery helps to reduce costs and to improve the quality of output. The fourth one is the material. No matter how good your plan, its success is dependent on the kind of material received by you. Then, the last M is the method. Some issues are not enough common sense. They require a definite method to deal with them. For the next topic, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods, services, and or data over electronic networks. E-commerce can be classified as B2B or B2C or as consumer to consumer or consumer to business. E-commerce involves both online and offline sales channels, either directly or through extension parts such as showrooms and seller-supplied warehouses. An e-commerce stores can be general merchandise retailer with a website that provides an online catalog, interactive shopping cart, and payment processing options, commonly referred to as an e-shop. E-commerce and e-business are terms used interchangeably to describe the online retail buying and selling processes that can be found in commercial websites. These terms are also used interchangeably with e-tail, which means the practice of reducing the number of steps involved in making a purchase. Amazon is one of the e-commerce business. Amazon is a behemoth in the e-commerce space. In fact, it is the world's largest online retailer and continues to grow. As such, it is a huge disruptor in the retail industry, forcing some major retailers to rethink their strategies and shift their focus. The company launched its business with an e-commerce based model of online sales and product delivery. Now, let's move on what is business analytics. Business analytics is a set of disciplines and technologies for solving business problems using data analysis, statistical models, and other quantitative methods. It involves iterative, methodical exploration of an organization's data, with an emphasis on statistical analysis to drive decision making. Data-driven businesses aggressively seek out ways to use their data as a competitive advantage and see it as a valuable corporate asset. Business analytics success depends on high-quality data, knowledgeable analysis who comprehend the industry and technologies, and a dedication to leveraging data to uncover insights that guide business choices. Also, business analytics seeks to identify which data sets are relevant and how to use them to solve issues and boost productivity, efficiency, and revenue. Business analytics is composed of its four types. One of these is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is the interpretation of historical data to better understand changes that have occurred in a business. Descriptive analytics describe the use of range of historic data to draw comparisons. Most commonly reported financial metrics are product of descriptive analytics. For example, year-over-year pricing changes, month-over-month sales growth, the number of users, or the total revenue per subscriber. These measures all describe what has occurred in a business during a set period. In its simplest form, Descriptive analytics answers the question, what happened? Diagnostic analytics is also one of the four types of business analytics. What is diagnostic analytics? Diagnostic analytics is a form of advanced analytics that examines data or content to answer the question, why did it happen? By doing this, we gain insights into what went wrong and learn how to avoid doing so again in the future. It is characterized by techniques such as drill down, data discovery, data mining, and correlations. And now, for the third type of business analytics. So what is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. The objective is to provide the best prediction of what will occur in the future, rather than simply knowing what has already occurred. Thus, predictive analytics answers the questions, what next? For example, if the temperature reading on a machine correlates to the length of time it runs on high power, those two combined readings may put the machine at risk of downtime. And now, for the last type of business analytics. What is prescriptive analytics? Prescriptive analytics is the process of using data to determine an optimal course of action. By considering all relevant factors, this type of analysis yields recommendations for next steps. Because of this, prescriptive analytics is a valuable tool for data-driven decision-making. Specific techniques used in prescriptive analytics includes optimization, simulation, game theory, and decision analysis methods. Data science and machine learning tools form the foundation of a prescriptive analytics practice. In its simplest form, it can answer the question, what should we do next? Now, let's proceed to the next topic, which is about the 5 steps in data analytics. But before that, let me give you a short description about data analytics. Data analytics has become a more progressive concept over the past few years. Now, businesses are choosing to use data as a main attraction in their employees' development processes. In fact, data analytics is being used to maximize the productivity of an organization though various processes and functions. Data analysis follows a detailed step-by-step process. In this video, we will walk you through this process. So what are those 5 steps? So, the first step is define. In this step, you are asking the right question. Before you start collecting data, you need to first understand what you want to do with it. Think about some problems that you want to be considered in order to be solved. You are trying to define the target of your analysis. The second step is measure. In this step, you are starting to collect a valid data. The data source that has been collected improves the ability to engage with a customer. Those allows to develop a data strategy. And if necessary, it is better to improve the quality of the data. Then, the third step is analyze. These steps needs an analysis of the data. In this step, you are begin to slice and dice the data to extract meaningful insights. Better process understanding and develop solutions should be facilitated. Then, the fourth step is improve. In these steps, you are begin to implementing a solutions, optimizing your process efficiency. Then, the final and fifth step is control. These steps requires an assessing of the benefits of the solutions. Create a framework conditions for long-term use. And for the last topic that I will be discussing, here is the difference between business intelligence and business analytics. Business intelligence is an infrastructure that helps in the process of collecting, storing, and analyzing data from business operations. BI provides comprehensive business metrics in near real time to support better decision making. You can create performance benchmarks, spot market trends, increase compliance, and improve almost every aspect of your business with better business intelligence. While business analytics, it is a subset of business intelligence that refers to the process of taking your company's raw data and turning it into useful information, including identifying trends, predicting outcomes, and more. Here is an example that shows how BI and BA differ. For example, while business intelligence might tell business leaders what their current customers look like, business analytics might tell them what their future customers are doing. Some experts use business analytics as a term to describe a set of productive tools used within the realm of business intelligence. And that is all for this video.